Nicole here with your February almond market update. Let's take a look at the latest position report and what it means for the market as bloom is underway across much of the Central Valley. Starting off with shipments, California shipped 206 million pounds of almonds in January, coming in below expectations and 10% behind last year. India posted another strong month and is now down 12% year to date, continuing to close the gap over last year's pace. Over 1,200 containers of in-shell shipped to India during the month, right in line with expectations, into a market that has been dealing with tight inventories in recent weeks. Western Europe was down 18% for the month and is down 3% year to date. Stocks appear very tight there as buyers have been actively covering prompt needs over the past month. Focusing in on sales, new sales for January totaled 298 million pounds compared to 239 million last year. India, Europe, and the Middle East were among the most active regions, making this a record January and the strongest sales month so far this season. Moving on to crop receipts, receipts came in at 2.63 billion pounds, keeping the crop on track to settle near 2.7 billion pounds, in line with the 24 crop receipts. Looking at bloom, it is off to an eventful start with cool and wet weather across the valley and more rain forecasted for the coming week. Shifting our focus to the overall outlook, while shipments are down 7% year to date, the strong January sales pace, especially with so much of it for nearby shipment, suggests demand is not actually down at the same rate. Buyers have been hesitant most of the season, but with the dip in market levels combined with favorable currency, they stepped in aggressively to cover. That should support stronger shipments for February and potentially beyond. The key variable now is bloom and how weather develops over the next few weeks, as that will play a major role in shaping the market sentiment moving forward. That's your almond market snapshot for February. Thank you so much for tuning in and stay with us next month as we take a closer look at bloom and what it could mean for the market.